Hi, my name is Sheila Satin, and I'm the jewelry designer here at the Satin Crystals Boutique. Today I'm going to show you some Bloodstone and Lava bracelets. So the bloodstone we have here is a rich green Indian bloodstone with white and yellow patches and the highly sought red mineral inclusions. The red in bloodstone is known as the blood, and I've accented these with some red lava. Lava in its natural organic form comes in a black or this reddish brown color. And these stones have been polished into round beads. In its organic form, the lava is a little bit rough, but the bloodstone has been polished very smooth, so you won't feel much abrasion on your arm. Something I've learned recently about lava is that it can also be used as an aerial diffuser for aromatherapy. So all you have to do is place a few drops of essential oil onto the beads, rub them in, let them soak and dry, and you can have the benefits of the oil with you as you wear the bracelets. And in crystal healing, lava is known for its grounding energy, for its energies of practicality and logical thinking. And bloodstone is known for its energy of circulation, circulating the blood, and courage and abundance. So these are great bracelets to stack up. They're strung on 4 strands of stretch cord, so they're nice and sturdy. And they're a great unisex bracelet as well, so you can gift them to men or women. Thank you for your positive energy here today. Come visit us at the Satin Crystals Boutique anytime.